Did you know there's an entire tool set just for changing your toilet valves? Yeah, me neither. We're going to go ahead and start by prepping our pipe with our little nifty cutters. She's a bit of a squirter. Kind of like your mom. The Milwaukee Auto cutters have these little holes in the bottom. They're pretty nice. Anyway, ream and deburr your pipe with sandpaper or whatever and slip your nut on. Then your compression fitting. I promise you guys, that's what they're called. I'm not being pervy or anything. Then you take your angle stop pipe and your angle stop wrench and you go ahead and put it together. Now the wrench is really nice because it has a sort of auto ratcheting mechanism. Then I realized I'm not a boomer, so I grabbed the SharkBite, went ahead and put that on, put the trim on, all that good stuff. That took about 1/10 of the time that the angle stop took. Fit my hose. I did actually end up using the wrench on this part. It is a pretty nice wrench. And one really cool thing about the SharkBites is they don't use compression. They use O-rings to stop the water. So that's pretty neat. Now you hand tighten this to your toilet and you're done. It's that easy.